Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths S1. In today's video, we will continue study surds and logarithmic function. This is the part of the syllabus of year 11 for the maths. Code is 4PM1. So in the last two videos, our focus is on a sketch of exponential and logarithmic functions. And the rest of the topics we have already completed. So this is the last video on this topic. In the previous videos, we have learned the sketch of exponential and logarithmic function. And we have seen that for exponential function, we need to focus on two concepts. Number one is horizontal asymptote. Number two is y-intercept. And in case of log functions, we have to focus on vertical asymptote and x-intercept. Now in this video, we will see these type of questions. So I have taken one example here and the other one I will solve in front of you. In the example, I have already taken the sketches so that it is easy and time saving, easy to understand and accurate sketches. So first of all, the question's demand is find out the values of unknown y's here. So we can simply substitute the values of x here in the equation and get the answer. So this is easy. You can see the values here. So value against 1 is 2 and against 4 is 3.39. Next part. Draw the graph of y is equals to 2 plus ln x. This is exactly what we have done in the previous video. The only difference is the domain is limited now. It is not free. Free domain mean if we were sketching, we can stop anywhere, we can go till whatever point we want. But when it is restricted, then we have to take from point 1 to point 4 and sketch between this only. So this we will see here now. Sketch technique we have already seen in the video, previous video. So see here. So it will be between my point 1, 0.1 and going up till x is equals to 4. So it should be drawn till here only because I have taken the sketch from the Desmos. So it is coming as it is. But when you are drawing, you have to be careful that between that value only you will draw. So from here till 0.1. Use your graph to estimate at two significant figure the solution of this equation. Now this is something new for you. Because question is saying use this graph. So if you have to use this graph and this graph is representing y is equals to 2 plus ln x. So how can we make connection? So let me copy down this question for which I have to find out the solution. So the technique here is you will try to change the given question into the form which you have already sketched. So what I will do, I will add plus 2 on both sides. I can do that, right? So left hand side, which is 2 plus ln x, is exactly what you have drawn here. And this side you have 2.5. So at 2.5, which will be somewhere here, it means y is equals to 2.5, right? So you will draw a line. I have it on the next sketch neatly, but I'm just explaining it to you. And this is the point, intersection point, which will give you the solution. This is the requirement of part C. Use your graph to estimate. Now, why the word estimate comes here? It's because the graphical solution are not exact solution. They are not analytical solutions. So there may be a little bit error when you are drawing the line. It may be a little high, maybe a little low. So your answer will be approximately correct. So this is how you will get it. Let's see here in this sketch, this red line, and when you read it, this is the point. This is how you will find out the solution. Now let's see the last part, D. Let me just erase this. Okay, now the question is again saying by drawing a suitable line on your graph. So clear hint that you have to draw a line. Okay, right now also you have drawn a line which was horizontal in your graph to estimate the solution of this. Now again, if I have to use the same graph, then I have to change this given equation into this form. And whatever will be on the other side of the equals to, that I will plot. So what will I do now? First thing comes in the mind is ln on both sides. After that, I will apply power law and bring it here. And we know ln e is 1, so I got ln x equals to x minus 2. But what do I want? I want 2 plus ln x. So I will write plus 2 on either side, on each side. So I will get here x. So 2 plus ln x is the sketch which we have already done in part 1. And now I just have to add a suitable line, which is the line y equals to x. Okay, so now in this sketch, if I draw y equals to x line, you know this is the line which will pass exactly through at 45 degree in the first quadrant. So now here if I draw it, why did I use the word 45 degree? Because the distance is taken here is same along the x-axis and y-axis. It's not very accurate, but I'm just trying to draw it. Let me show you here in the picture. See, at x, red line is your y is equals to x line. So now you have to find the solution. You can see where it is intersecting the x-axis, and that is your answer. So now let's see this question. This is what we will do together. Okay, so now graph may not be very accurate, but you understood when you have a graph paper how you will see. So let's start the first part. Draw the graph of y is equals to 3 plus 2 e power minus x over 2. So now if I see, I know it is exponential curve, so it will pass through the y-axis and I will have asymptote horizontal, correct? And I have told you in the previous video, when you have, I'm just rewriting it, to writing the constant on this side, this number gives you asymptote, right? So if I see 1, 2, 3, so I will have asymptote here. Let me change the color here. So asymptote will be at y is equals to 3. And then to find the y-intercept, you will put x equals to 0. So if I put 0 here, it will become 5. So curve will pass through 5. Second thing very important is the power of E is negative. It means the shape of the curve will be like this. So let me draw this line here. Roughly I'm sketching it, right? So this is how you will sketch for part A. Now let's see what is, part B. Okay, part B, use your graph to estimate to two significant figure the solution to the equation. This part, now I am drawing here which has no grid, so it will not be easy to find the solution, but I am giving you idea when you will do it on the graph paper, you will be able to get the solution like we have done in the previous example. Okay, so now I am taking this equation, e power minus x over 2 equals to 0.5. And what do I want? I want this equation, because this is what we have drawn. So first of all, I will multiply both sides by 2. Correct. Now what is left? Plus 3. So I will add 3 on both sides. So now I have gotten exactly the equation which I have plotted here. So what is on the other side? 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So y is equals to 4 is your line which you will draw. So 4 is here. So this is the line I will draw, and it is intersecting the green curve here. So I will just read the value of x here, and that will be my solution. So now let's do part C. I'm just erasing it because I want to keep the solution on this page so that I can use the same graph. Okay. Okay. Now what is given is this. Question is saying by drawing a suitable line. So again I need to change this into the given equation first. So first of all, I will divide by -2. What I'm trying to do? Trying to get it into this form because this graph is drawn, sketched. After that, I will change this into exponential form. So this thing, x minus 2 over 2 is equals to e power minus x over 2. We already have seen in video 1 and 2 that how to change logarithmic form into exponential form. After that, multiply by 2 both sides and you will get this. So now what is left? Plus 3 on both sides. So I'm adding plus 3 on both sides. So now I got x plus 1 here, and here I have the question which I have sketched. So it means this is the line which I have to sketch. So it is y is equals to x plus 1. Now you are already aware of this, that this straight line will have gradient from here. It's a positive gradient and it is passing through 1 on the y-axis. So let me change the color. So this is 1, it will pass through here. I just need one more point. So because you have already labeled here points, so you can take any point of your choice. Suppose I am taking 3, roughly I am taking. You will have graph paper, you can do better. So y is equals to 4. So it means at x equals to 3, y is equals to 4. Suppose 3 is here. Just suppose, okay? So your line will be something like this. So it is intersecting the green curve here. So that is your solution. So you can read the solution from here. So I hope you understood how you will solve these type of questions. For any query, you can write in the comment. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.